Alright folks, so unboxing this package I have received from Amazon. This box is quite damp for some reason. So what do we have here? 1 year warranty, turbo power 600. Hopefully it's 6000 mAh battery. I'd say 6000 mAh. And inflate up to 150 psi. Auto cutoff. Auto cutoff means hopefully we can set the pressure what we want, which is quite important and useful. We have digital tire inflator, 1U, digital air compressor. It should be obviously inside it. 1N, 12 volt DC adapter. Okay, that's good. One type C cable. That's good. It supports type C input. One carry bag. 3 additional nozzles, which is also important. It says manufactured in September 2023, which is good. MRP is 5999. Value 1 Retail Private Limited, Gurgaon, Haryana. Okay, they are from Haryana only. So I got it for 2199. I'll probably contact them to see if they can give us for lesser price for our community, particularly for EVs. Okay, so what do we have? 11.1 volt working voltage, USB-C for 1 charging cable, anyway, dual mode, wired and cordless. Okay, auto shut off, digital display, PSI, kPa, bar, kg centimeter, 9.1 feet long cable, which is good. Fast inflation speed in 7 minutes. I don't know how much it will inflate in 7 minutes. Anyway, user friendly, portable, compact, lightweight, multiple nozzles, football, cycle, anyway, usage, QR code for warranty registration. Must register within 10 days of purchase. Okay. So what do we have inside? Excuse the background noises, because my family do not like me doing these videos in peace. So I think this is the nozzle connector. You have a normal USB port for charging other devices, so it acts as a power bank as well. And you have this DC input, you have this type C input, and I think this is a torch, which is also quite useful. And you have a glossy design, which I don't like. Glossy sticker here. I think this is on the display. And you have these buttons. You have a very nice rubber, basically skid-free rubber strap, which you can probably strap on your hand or something. What do we have here? DC 12 volt, battery is 11.1 volt, power is 70 watts, so it will be slower than a 120 watts compressor for sure. So you have this type C cable, USB to type C cable. You have 3 nozzles here, 1 fuse also inflated nozzle, so 3 type of nozzles. And I'm not sure what is it. Okay, this is probably this is an adapter for bicycles. Some cycles require this adapter, and this is to inflate footballs. I'm not sure what is this for, and what is this for. 2 nozzles, probably to blow air or something. And where do we put fuse? I need to check. Now this is the 9 feet car socket cable, 12 volt. Okay, so this is the manual, turbo power 600. Use the original charging cable and a 5 volt 2 ampere adapter to charge the appliance. बार का मेजरमेंट दिया हुआ है, 70 watts, small car tires. So probably this is not fit for large cars like mine. Or maybe I'll try to inflate my Accord tire because it's deflated. Let's see if it is able to inflate it. Trying to power it on. Yeah, there it is. So it is configured for in car mode, 36 psi. I think you can increase. Yeah, you can increase the psi. Let me put it to 65 for my bicycle. See if it is able to charge it. It says it is full charge, so I don't think I need to charge it. We need to always clean the lenses before taking a video. I did a mistake of not doing it, and that's what happens when the lens is not clean. It starts reflecting light. अभी भी थोड़ा बहुत रिफ्लेक्शन है क्योंकि obviously lenses are small. जितने बड़े लेंस होते हैं जनरली उसमें रिफ्लेक्शन भी कम होता है. Configured for 65 for rear tires, and I'll try to do it started. It's okay. So now the flashlight is working. I need to plug this in first. My bicycle tires have a normal car type nozzle, so I don't need an adapter. Otherwise, for normal bicycles, you require it. Now, good thing is they have put this rubber to properly tighten the nozzle. Alright guys, so I'm going to inflate my dirty bicycle, which you might have seen in many of my Ola videos. Now, let me find the nozzle. It's on the top. I'll have to move the cycle. Okay, plugging it in. Now this particular section is quite small, which I don't like. Let me first configure it. Switch it on. So I just discovered that this button is only for a torch. So let me switch it on. Yeah. So I think it is helping me. Now let me plug it in. My bicycle tire pressure is too low. Oops, it has got rotated. It has gone to car mode, into cycle mode. I need to increase the pressure from 45 psi. I'm trying the extreme of 65 psi. Now let me start. It's currently 0 psi. 2.5, 4.5. Not bad. It's inflating quite rapidly. These are the tires. It's already tire can withstand 65 psi, 43, but I think 65 is too much. Let me try 55. So for cycle it is fine. That's it. Auto cut off. Let me open the cap, take it off. Alright, so I have plugged it in, and I have basically put it between the spokes. So let me start. It's 0 psi right now. 7 psi because I accidentally powered it off. Screwing down, filling in. So at least for cycle it is quite useful, very fast. Where the tube filling in, guys, very loud. So the battery has gone down from 100%. Yeah, it has filled it in.